Hi y'all, what's poppin'? It's the girl Shein, and as you guys read by the title below what this video will be about, so I'll be getting my hair done. Okay, yeah, my normal look mad right now, I look crazy, but this video is sponsored by Shein. Can you get a clap for that one? Yes, this video y'all is sponsored by Shein, the one and only Shein. So they have sent me 2 packages. Yeah, alright, so one is a wig and one is a pretty nice gift packaging. Okay, so I'ma open the wig and show y'all and let y'all know what this wig is, and you know, and this wig is linked down in my description below, y'all. Yes, it's down in my description below. So cute, Shein, so cute. I love this. I love the new box, guys. The new box I give 2024. So this is the hair, new bars. Okay, and you know, we get to our user guides thing, and you know, all something there and some high quality. Yeah, guys, so this is the hair. Okay, guys, so it's a 5x5 glueless transparent lace closure wig, and it is body wave, guys, 13x4. Like, come on. And it's a 28-inch wig, 180 density. Period. Period. Yes, so as I said, it's linked down in my description because I know y'all are going to want it. Yes, I know y'all are going to want it, and it is glueless, guys, so you don't have to glue it down, you know. I really love that about this wig. It is glueless. What? It don't look like people must die head. Why that's not coming on my head? But this is the wig, y'all. This is the wig. Listen, can we get some commotion for this wig? Yo, this is from Shein. This is from Shein and it's already cut. Oh my god. Isn't this beautiful? Shein, you're so wonderful. You're so wonderful to me. Guys, let me try and put it on. Oh my lord. Guys, look at this. The link is in my description to go get this pre-plucked. Look at the lace. Like, look at the lace, y'all. Listen, do not play with Shein. The quality is good. I'm not telling no lie, the quality is so good, guys. Like, for real, quality good quality. Let me install it. Listen, guys, lace wear, huh? Lace wear, can y'all see that right there? Lace wear. But listen, this wig is so beautiful, but it's a closure, guys, so you know you can only put baby ears right here. But this is so tall. Like, look at the length. Manila, so sweet, so soft. This ear is very soft. It's very bodied, like it's giving body. 180 density. Don't play with Shein. But this is so unreal, very unreal, y'all. So you know, when the lace is melts into it, it'll be banging, y'all. So guys, will purchase this wig from Shein. So just continue watching this video and watch me get it installed. Yeah, yeah, something, because I'm not gonna do it myself, okay? Or maybe I'll just do it myself. Maybe I'll do it myself. But guys, and it's already come parted out and everything, so yeah. Oh, so now I'm going to show y'all the goodies I've received. It's in this box, okay? Yeah. Shein, man, I'm crying. Mine are falling tears. Shein, this is so cute. This is cute, y'all. This is cute. This is cute. Cute. Oh my god. So y'all, I received a mousse, a lace tint mousse. Okay, look at it right there. I received a comb from you. I received a comb from Shein. I received a wax stick, y'all. I received a glue bolt hold. Oh my god. I received this, you know, tube, so you know, to put around and hold the wig. I received a lace remover. I received this guy, you know, edges brush. Oh my gosh, Shein, big up yourselves. Big up on yourself. Yeah, big up on yourself in a real life. That the one and only Tisha will say big up on yourself. So yeah. Yes, y'all. So remember, and you guys can get these free too, you know. And guys, use the gift code wigs for you to get some gifts. So yeah, y'all, I'm really loving this here. I feel like I'm gonna install it tomorrow. I'm going to install it tomorrow, guys, so stay tuned. Bye.
I slapped in my head, told him, don't know how you get down with them clowns, but I'm a soldier. No one could understand. I had way too much aggression that built over the
pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated.
I'm out of town, thuggin' with my round. My coochie pink, my booty hole brown. Where the niggas? I'm looking for the hoes. Quit playing nigga, cause suck a bitch toe. Pound town, just left Pound town. Let my nigga, he just took a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga dick a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga eat me out. Pound town, just left Pound town. Let my nigga, he just took a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga dick a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga eat me out. I'm out here in Miami, looking for the hoochie daddy. Where the niggas they?
So guys, this is the hair. This is like, let me see how many days later she type. iPhone I use for the, you know, not for the iPad. This is, today is February 16th, so this is like 3 days later. Yeah, but remember. So this is the hair. This wig is from Shein, so make sure y'all check them out. The link will be in my description. Yeah, so make sure you'll be checking them out. Let me show put it down and show y'all the length. Okay, let's see. In the club. So y'all, this is the length. Yes, 28 inches bust down. Period. And I feel like an email coming in. But anyways guys, yeah, check out Shein. And y'all know y'all's collection did a big one on my hair. Look on the style. And y'all, let me just say it's a closure wig. Closure wig. Open, close, open, close. Yeah, and it's style. See me, see? 5x5. A good wig, man. Show me the mirror. So yeah, y'all. So that there? Scalp. So check out Shein and get y'all here from Shein.